Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to install Jupyter Notebook on our Windows machine. First of all, we need to go to our browser and type Python, Python download. Then you will choose the first one, which is python.org. Click on it and click on download Python 3.13.1 as at December 7, 2024. This is the latest version, so you click on it and you click save, and it will download the exe file. The download is complete, so now you can go to your browser and click on the Python 3.13.1 exe folder. Since I've already installed Python on my machine, it will be prompting me to upgrade now. But if you're installing Python for the first time, it will be prompting you to install now. So I'll just click upgrade and I'll click yes, and I'll upgrade it. I've successfully upgraded the Python in my Windows machine. So now let me close it. So now come under search here and type cmd and click on command prompt. So let's check if we have Python in our machine. So type Python --version, and you can see that the Python 3.13.1 has been installed into my Windows machine. So now let's install Jupyter Notebook. So here you will type pip install Jupyter and press enter. So the installation have started. Now the installation is complete. So now let's go to our desktop. I'll left click and I'll create a folder called Jupyter. So from that folder, I'll left click again. Then I'll open the terminal from the folder we just created. And now I'll type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. So the server started running, so it will open our Jupyter interface. To create a project, you can come here and click here and click on Python 3, and a new project will be created. You can write your Python code here. You can type your print hello world, and you can run it. And you can set as print hello world. So basically, this is how you install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed.